Hi, I'm Monica Madani, Tarot card reader, spiritual healer. Let's do the reading for Aquarius July 2020 predictions. Let's see what this July month is store. I will just remove few cards for them. So wow, as we enter this month, you'll feel quite recharged and rejuvenated, and you'll feel like trying a lot of new creative things. Some may like go for painting, some would like to just do something they've never done, photography or something. You were just sitting at home, all that hobbies, creative ideas will keep flowing in your mind, and you're feeling like to do something. So please do it. You will feel very much refreshed after doing all this thing. But prioritize your time and set your target, to achieve the greater outcome, because you're going to put hands in everything. Some people would like to do gardening, so prioritize your time, because you would like to do 2-3 things at a time. Your creativity is flowing in you. And yes, little bit I see cards where I feel the elders need to be taken care, as their small minor health issues may come up. Just minor health issues, nothing major. It can be taken care at home also. Okay, now maybe people are envying you, or so just so you will hear a lot of things floating around about you, which you will not like it coming from people. So it's just ignore and move on. You just ignore it, because you be busy in your creativity, in your passion that's flowing in you. So be involved in your creative endeavors. You'll enjoy. You will find a little bit lack of romance in your life. Work on your relationship. Spend time with your partner. Specifically, I'm saying spend time. Remove extra time, remove little time from all these busy activities you're involved, and spend time with your partner. Maybe whatever the partner likes to do that, and create a bond between both of y'all. Okay, all this thing, all your creativity, don't let it confuse your mind. Set your goals, prioritize your time, and your mind won't be confused. People who are working, you may attract a dream job on something new, or some dream project will come in your life. So that's also very good news for Aquarian. Students will be very busy in their projects. They would also feel like doing, because I'm telling you, all are feeling the energy is flowing in y'all. So students will be also involved in a lot of project work, and they'll be very happy. Okay, for you to keep balance of your body, energy and mind, and keep it healthy, have lots of salads and sprout, and drink lemon water to detoxify early morning. You can drink in daily or in daytime also, but early morning is the best time. So do drink that. You will find you're detoxifying. Your body is really detoxify. Sit in sunlight for morning 10 minutes for good health and to boost your immunity. You will find the difference in you. So before we close this, let me tell you about a mudra which I would like you all to do. It's a very simple technique. It's a very simple mudra which I would want you all to do. Let's see what is mudra basically. So before doing mudra, let me talk to you about why are we going to do this mudra, or why should we do it. Our body is basically made up of 5 elements: Akash, Jal, Bhumi, Vayu, Agni. So when there's a disturbance in our body, body suffers from disease and imbalanced mind. So the mudra will help you to balance, create harmony between body parts, and the entire functioning of body is revived. So simple basic mudra it is. You have to do it for 15 minutes. You can break it in 5 minutes. You can also chant Om if you feel like, because it's good for meditation. If you feel like, if you don't, that's fine. You can sleep and also do this mudra. It's just to uplift your mood, uplift yourself, and it is also to be grounded. So our mind has to be grounded, especially you are into creativity. At present, your energy is flowing with creative ideas. So once you got grounded, the creativity will flow in a perfect sequence, and it will help you in all your project, whatever you're doing. So Just very simple. Just hold on this way. Put little pressure on the second middle finger or second finger also, and just sit like that. Very calmly sit like that. And just breathe in and breathe out. If you don't want to chant Om, just breathe in and breathe out. You can do it in front of sunlight also by 10 minutes sitting in sunlight, and it will help you. It will detoxify your mind. It will clear out all the energies and balance your body, balance the energy in your body. The level of energy will get balanced. Please do this and give your feedback. If you like my video, do subscribe, share it, and like and leave comments. Thank you.